How to use Android file transfer for Mac. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So all you want to go ahead and do is on both your Samsung and MacBook, open up your browser of choice. Doesn't matter which one it is, it just has to, be on the same Wi-Fi network. So preferably do this at home. If you're on mobile data, use hotspot for the other device. Anything like that, they got to be on the same network. Then all you want to go ahead and do is once you're on your browser of choice, go ahead and find a website, which is going to be called Snapdrop. So we're going to go ahead to that. It's going to be called snapdrop.net. Go ahead and open that up. Now at this point, first you could download an application for it if you want to, but on here, you just want to go ahead and upload files, or you can even upload a folder as well. Then on your MacBook, it's instantly going to recognize that some files are going to be uploaded, and that's because you're on the same Wi-Fi connection. And then once you go ahead and do that, you're going to be able to download them directly after they've uploaded from your Samsung phone. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.